Welcome to Crochet Basics with Texendi. How to make single crochets into a chain. I have here 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I am going to work 10 single crochets down my chain. Now the reason I made 11 chains to make 10 single crochets is I'm going to skip this first chain because this first chain will become the side of my first single crochet. Now you'll note each chain has a top loop and a bottom loop. The single crochets will go into the top of each chain. Making my first single crochet, I skip the first chain, insert my hook from front to back, over, around, grab, and pull up a loop. There are now 2 loops on my crochet hook. Over, around, grab, and pull. I have made my first single crochet. And as you can see, that first chain is now the side of my first single crochet. I will repeat this down my chain until I have 10 single crochets. Here's my next chain. Insert from front to back, over, around, grab and pull up a loop, over, around, grab and pull, 2 single crochets. Notice as I am working to help myself stay steady, I pinch the single crochets I have made between my ring finger and pinky of my right hand. You don't have to do this, but I do find it helpful. Into my third chain, over, around, grab and pull, over, around, grab and pull, 3 single crochets. Insert hook, over, around, grab and pull, over, around, grab and pull. And just keep working like that all the way down your chain. Adjusting your hands as you need to keep your chain steady while you work. Also note that as you're making each single crochet, when you pull up the loop, it should be the same height as your crochet hook head. That will keep your tension consistent and make your single crochets all the same height. Learning to count a single crochet, we can look at the top, and the top looks just like chains. Every stitch forms a V. If you look at it from the side, we can see that there is 1 loop of yarn that goes across. That right there indicates it is a single crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 single crochets.